So you can just hold that up. Keep it there till I find.
And there should be a pen at every station.
Perfect. I found you. Now I just have to check in. Perfect. I found you. Now I just have to check in.
There's your privacy folder. There should be a pen at every table.
Any place that's right, Brian, can you just take this ticket over to the next table? You can just hold your ID up to the plexiglass till I punch you in the system.
Is your privacy folder, and there should be a pen at every.
You can just hold your ID up to the plexi, just hold it there till I find it. Is your privacy folder,
And there should be a pen at every station.
thank you. Perfect. I found you people. Okay, now you're going to take this and you get your bell. Keep going. Okay, can you take this ticket over to
Stick your ID up on your privacy folder and take the, there should be a pen at every station.
Good morning. I'm doing well. Could you just hold your ID up to the plexi? Keep it there till like
There's your privacy folder, and there should be a pen at every station.
Now, is there any chance you have a different address?
I do.
Okay, what is that? Is there any chance you have a different address?
Yeah,
Okay, can you just tell me what it is?
109 Longwood Drive.
Okay. Okay, trying to check you in. All right, William, can you just take this over to the show me your ballot?
Have you seen those quilts?
Okay, so Lawrence, if you just want to take that over to Bridget, she'll give you your ballot. There's not a check.
No. I was looking for it.
Man, and the sweater over there might be able to get you everything.
Or you could just hold that up while I'm finding the system.
You're gonna trade this.
Perfect, found you. Now I just have to check you in.
Here is your privacy folder, and there should be a pen at, hopefully, at every station.
They told us not to use this scanner, but they. Alright, you just want to stick your ID up over there. Alright, fine, you must stick your ID up
There's
like
your privacy
that.
folder, there should be a pen at every station. There should be a pen at every station. Anywhere that's empty. No name, it's just a privacy folder.
Alright, Brandon, if you take this ticket over to the next table, she'll give you the ballot. Hi, yeah, can you just hold that up and check you in? Alright, we'll take this ticket to the next table. You just want to stick your ID down there. Hold it there for a second.
Thank you.